You want to put your heart and soul into what you love. End of story, dear Sagittarius. That's it. There's nothing more to it. Put your heart and soul into what you love. Move forward step by step and keep moving forward. What you have a tendency to do, however, is look around you and sometimes compare and look at old stories. Oh, well, that was really difficult. I don't want to have to go through that again. Or this person looks like they've got it better. Maybe I should do things their way, so on and so forth. And I want to make this really clear. It never works for the Sagittarius. I want to say this to you. I say it like this. I want to say to you, you're a Sagittarius. You need to know that you're a Sagittarius. Go and look up all of the great and incredible, I want to say, traits of being a Sagittarius, and you'll understand what that means, right? It's the same thing I say to I've got a dog, a German Shepherd, and he's almost 13. And he gets scared of, he's a big boy, he's almost 50 kilograms. And he gets scared of lots of little noises and things and thunder. And I have to look at him and say, you're a German Shepherd. Like, think about it. Think about how great you are. Think about your qualities. And I'm saying the same thing to the Sagittarians. Of course, you're not a German Shepherd, but you're a Sagittarius. Think about your qualities and your traits and what you're capable of. Stop focusing on the things that don't matter.